Welcome to the in front of me Realme 9i, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So just a couple of minutes ago I set up here my face recognition. As you can see, I can activate the device with my face. So now I'll make 5 tries to unlock the device, and we will see how fast and how useful this feature is. So let's start. I'll just check if I'm sitting in a good position. Yeah. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as can you see, the face unlock method works really fast, and I suggest you to try this unlock method on your Realme 9i. For example, if you don't like some methods like the pin codes or passcodes or patterns, you can just set up here your face recognition and you'll unlock successfully your device just less than in 1 second. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.